Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to uninstall Microsoft Word from your Windows 11 PC or laptop. And also guys, this method will work in Windows 7 and Windows 10. So to uninstall Microsoft Word, click on Start, type here Control Panel, open Control Panel. Now select View by category. Now select Uninstall a program. Here you will see a list of installed programs. You want to uninstall Microsoft Word, so you have to find out Microsoft Office from this list. Then, as we can see here, we have Microsoft Office Professional. So it will remove and delete all Microsoft Office program like MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So just right click and uninstall. It will ask permission to uninstall, so just click and then you have to wait till this uninstalling process will complete. You will see we are removing Office from your computer now. So wait for few minutes. So this way guys, you can uninstall Microsoft Word from your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.